गोंयांत फाटले कितलेशेच म्हयने जाले एफडीएचो पंगड दर्यादेगेवेल्या वाठारात धाड घालीत आसा। बिरेस्तारा राती कडेन एफडीएच्या पंगडान दर्यादेगेवेल्या वाठारांतल्या आस्थापनांचेर धाड घालून कांय काजूंची दुकानां, रेस्टॉरंटां आनी बिर्याणी दुकानांची पळोवणी केली। ह्या तपासणे वेळार 3 बिर्याणी दुकानांक सुदारणा नोटीस जारी केल्या, जाल्यार एका रेस्टॉरंटाक बंद उडोवपाचो आदेश दिला। ते भायर 10 काजू दुकानांक गिरायकां खातीर एक म्हायतीपूर्ण पोस्टर दिले, जातूंत काजू बियां विशीं म्हायती आसा। फाटले 3 म्हयन्यां जायत्यो जागृताय मोहीम चल्ल्यात आनी आतां खंयची आस्थापना अस्वच्छ परिस्थितीत सांपडल्यार जापसालदार व्यक्तीचेर खर कारवाय जातली अशी एफडीएच्या अधिकाऱ्यान शिटकावणी दिल्या।
This was closed a week ago, but again we had got an input that they have reopened. So we have given them a second notice with a strict warning that if they continue operating, then we will be filing a case against them.
तुम्ही त्यांचे शॉप बंद केले तरी पण त्यांचे
बंद केला पण तांणी परत ते चालू केले, giving a thing that they misunderstood certain things, but we have explained to them properly and we have given them a strict warning that if they continue flouting these norms, then we will be taking the strictest of punishment against them.
रोड साइड्स जे स्टॉल्स तुम्ही हे केले पळय रिपीटेड तांकां कितें तेजेर सेकंड एक्शन जातली द बिर्याणी स्टॉल्स
परते तांकां आमी वॉर्निंग दिल्ले आसा आनी ह्या फुडें जे कितें अशें रोड सायड मेळटले तांकां आमी स्ट्रिक्टली तेंचो एक कंपोजीट डेटा करून पंचायतीक दितले आनी पंचायती कडेन अपील करतले की तांचे जे कितें ट्रेड लायसन्स आसा ते तांणी रिवोक करचे आनी सिमिलरली आमचे एफडीए परमिशन जे तांचे कडेन आसा जाल्यार ती आमी रिवोक करतले। सो एट दीस स्टेज वी वील बी रिवोकिंग परमिशन। सो दिस इज वॉट इज द मेसेज दॅट वी वील पास, बिकॉज इन द पास्ट 4 to 5 months enough of awareness has been done to the people, but now we will be taking the next step of action, that is suspension, revocation of license.
So second action will be taken with the coordination with the panchayat or
panchayat again is working in coordination with us. So once we have stop FDA license, we also write to the local body to revoke their permissions, because when the panchayat gives a license, they put a condition in their license that they have to abide to the norms of the FDA, they have to abide to the norms of the health department. So if they are violating our norms, it is our duty to inform the local body, and violating the FDA norm is also violating the conditions of the trade license. So based on that, they can take action. So that is how we will be writing to the local body. Our FDA team has today conducted an evening inspection along the coastal belt. These are part of our inspection that we've been carrying out in the past few months, and once again we have scaled up our activities and we have checked several outlets selling biryani on the roadside. From our post checks, it has been noted that some of them have taken corrective steps, but yet a few of them have gone a bit complacent, and through your channel we want to pass a message that in this coming approaching season, no one should get complacent. We will be scaling up our checks again to ensure that all the outlets in our coastal area as well as in the city, all the restaurants, the casual shops especially, and other street food vendors will be thoroughly checked in the next coming 1 or 2 months. Also giving an update on the cashew nuts, the poster that we have unveiled in coordination with the Goa Forest Development Corporation. We have once again commenced fixing these posters also on the cashew shop, which is an informative brochure on what are the things that the public has to look at while purchasing cashew nuts. So these checks will continue in the next 1 or 2 months, and we want to appeal once again to the food business operators to take necessary corrective actions, and if they have any difficulties, doubt, they can get in touch with the FDA and correct themselves, give a proper hygienic food to the public. Also anyone engaged in any artificial ripening will also be taken down very strictly. In the past 2-3 months we have done a lot of awareness, and now when we are going to check, we will be strict and we will be booking cases right away. So this is the message that we want to pass through.
Bureau Report, Gomantak TV.